What's up, folks? Welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we are going to be cooking a red tilapia from Colombia. Now let's get started on chopping the wood. And that's how you do it. What about these? They are red tilapia from Colombia. Oh, this is the biggest one. My favorite. I feel like I'm gonna be having this one. It's all mine. Let's see its teeth. Okay. That's a lot of meat. Let's see its teeth. That's a lot of sharp and small teeth. And a weird tongue. So guys, my dad will be cutting the fish now. Pick one of the favorites. The big one.
So we're gonna do cut.
What about a little bit this? So we mix it?
Yes.
We're putting the olive oil on the fish.
With spices.
With spices. So we're putting our fish on this plate to cook. Oh, this one's almost too good. So we're cooking the fish. Daddy, can I take my fork and take a little bit of meat out to try?
Sure, but it's hot, so better, right? So guys, we've been waiting pretty long time. It's just time consuming, but we have the result, and the result is looking just so tasty. Can't wait to try it. It's really hot, so better to wait until it will be cooled down a little bit. Makarii, you're the first who is gonna try this fish, and the biggest fish is yours. So,
oh my! We're having such a great time. I'm gonna be the first one to try this fish. It's so tasty. Yeah, we haven't even tried it, but it's totally good. Let's put it on the table. I've never tried this. I feel like this is the most tastiest fish in the world. Yummy. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you like this video, subscribe so you could support our channel and hit the bell button for more videos. See you in the next video.